Hi everyone, do you want a toothbrush that can clean your teeth without you having to manually brush your teeth? Or you desire a toothbrush that is packed with modern features and technology? Well, today I will be checking out the Soocas X3U. It is a modern, high-tech electric toothbrush that can help clean your teeth more efficiently and effectively. Let's check out what is inside the box. Inside the box, users will find one quick start guide, along with a travel case, which stores the Soocas X3U toothbrush securely in the casing. Next out, inside a pack of accessory box, is the USB charging cable to recharge up the Soocas toothbrush. 3 brush heads, each with its own unique feature and function is included, along with a user guide, to guide users on the product operation and features. On first impressions, the X3U travel casing looks really sleek and stylish in design with nice linear patterns on the casing. Inside the case, as you see, it's really neat. The toothbrush and brush heads have their own slots for storage. Check out the toothbrush, it looks nice and high-end in white. The material feels to be of good quality. It has nice metallic trims on the toothbrush, rose gold in color that shines, cool design elements on the toothbrush. At the bottom of the toothbrush, if you lift up the flap, you will find a USB-C charging port, which can charge up the toothbrush when battery is low. With fast charging, a simple 4 hours charge can last up to 30 days of usage. Good capacity battery. Also, there is 4 personalized modes, which can help users achieve teeth whitening. The modes can be alternated when you press on the button to change modes. The first mode is cleaning mode, which can be used for day-to-day cleaning of your teeth. Sensitive mode is for sensitive teeth and mostly gentle cleaning, while a first use mode is for a soft cleaning experience on your first use, to help you get a hang of it on your first use. The whitening mode is for ultimate whitening to give you a bright white shining smile. 4 different modes, each with their own personalized function. Great option. There are 3 different brushing heads, each brush head has its own unique function to cater to different usage needs. You can see their specific function at the back of the packing. The brushes look cool and functional. Let's proceed to check out each brush and its feature. The first brush is the Soocas Clean Brush. It is recommended for everyday brushing and a great match for clean mode as it's engineered to clean teeth. The second brush head is the Soocas Soft. It is made for those who have sensitive teeth as it has soft bristles that massage the gums and clean the teeth effectively, while maintaining comfort. A great match for sensitive mode. Finally, we have the Soocas Polish Brush Head. It is designed for deep whitening that polishes the surface of the teeth and removes stain. Perfect for whitening the teeth. All 3 brush heads, each with its own unique functionality. There is anti-slip grip, therefore, even with wet hands, you can grip the brush with ease when brushing. With sonic technology, it can provide up to 39,600 micro brushes per minute thanks to the sonic motor, which helps remove 700% more plague. See how powerful it vibrates when I power it on, proving its power and effectiveness. Users can brush with a peace of mind, thanks to the IPX7 waterproof rating. As you see, I can use it with my hands wet, or under running water. The toothbrush won't spoil since it's waterproof. Great. It has an auto timer within it, so when brushing, it will remind the user to move around after 30 seconds. The entire brushing should finish within 2 minutes and it will auto shut down. Smart, right? After use, store the brush head and Soocas electric toothbrush in the casing. It has dedicated slots to fit 2 brush heads and a toothbrush, all neatly stored in the casing. Nice. Overall, I find the Soocas electric toothbrush a good find. It is high quality, and has many functions and features. What I like best is the waterproof rating, along with the quiet sonic motor which is powerful and efficient. Aesthetically, it looks good too. Perfect use at home or during travels. If you want to find out more about the Soocas Sonic electric toothbrush, check out the link in description. Thank you for watching.